All right, so here's a look at these navy blue curtains that we've got set up here in our living room. Now, these ones, as you can see up at the top, there's going to be metal rings, so you could just easily slide it onto the curtain rod. And these are going to be the blackout ones. So in our living room here, we've got like a bright light that's kind of behind us, and it's going to be nice because we could actually close that off and make it fully dark in here. This is great for if we're going to be watching movies or just watching TV in general. It's nice because it's going to fully block everything out. We went with this navy color. Now the listing does have other color variations, and they also have a bunch of different size variations. So just make sure you do a quick measurement and make sure that that size and the color is going to work for you. I do like these ones because they do have like a bit of a, not really metallic, but I guess it has like a little bit of a sheen to it. And you can see when I move it around like this, you can see that the light is reflecting off of it really nicely. Right now it's wrinkled. We just set it up, so we're going to need to grab our steamer and kind of steam it so we get all these wrinkles out. But overall, they look really good and they're really easy to set up. So if you're looking for some curtains, some blackout curtains that look really nice, then I'd highly recommend picking these up.